Hey guys, what's up? What are you doing? Oh, drinking water. Are you bored? Me too, I'm bored. I'm super bored. And I have no one to talk to. Can you please talk to me? Hey, is there any problem? Hey, are you hungry? Do you want food or something? My god. Please. Oh, are you making me jealous? Huh? I know you're a couple, so you don't have to do that. Okay, fine. Do you want me to bring you outside? But it's raining though. Just better stay here. Oh, I'll give you food later. Okay? Oh, stop eating. Look at you too. You're getting fat now after COVID. You're big as a chick. Yeah, I know. I know, right? I know, right? I'm bored. I'm bored in a house. Bored in a house. Bye.